Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, March 18, 2021, and today we saw the markets gap down. We consolidated for a while before breaking higher, and we are now pulling back. So the S&P is still holding above the opening print. The Nasdaq's a little bit weaker. It is trading closer to the lows. You've got the Russell in the top right chart, which is pulling back to around the opening print, maybe just above it right now, and then the Dow in the bottom right corner of the charts here is holding well above the open, well above yesterday's highs. So what I'm going to look at this afternoon is what has happened historically on this day before options expiration if you are holding above the opening print as you approach the close of the session. We are around that opening print in several of the instruments, so I'm not sure if we will be there or not at 3 p.m., but that's what this test will be based upon. So I've got it set up to go long at 3 p.m. The exit will be exiting at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now, the simple price action filter I'm adding here is I'm simply going to say the price at 3 p.m., since that's the entry time, is above the open. I'm going to hit equals for a close above open, and that close is referring to where the price is at 3 p.m. And then next, I'm going to go into the indicator section, put us in a similar bull market environment above a 10, above 200. And then lastly, go into the market events and say that today is the day before options expiration. I'm going to come down here, hit equals next to day before options expiration. That sets up this test. And now I can hit view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon going long at 3 p.m. Eastern time if the price at 3 p.m. is above the opening print on the day before options expiration day in a bullish environment. So historically, we've got 73 samples in the S&P, 66 in the Nasdaq, 75 in the Dow, and 60 in the Russell. The win rates on these are all a little bit better than 55%, with some of those a bit stronger. You've got the S&P at 56%, the Nasdaq 67%, the Dow 57%, and the Russell 62%. So all of those are at least mildly favored. Average win to average loss. Looks like the average win a little bit larger in the S&P than the average loss. That's not the case in the Nasdaq. The average loss a little bit bigger there. Fairly similar in size there for the Dow and the Russell. So not a big skewing either way on the average win to average loss on any of those. But if we look at them as a group, the win rates have been a bit more favored there. If you're trading above the open at 3 p.m., historically speaking, it has continued higher more often than not into the close. So hopefully you found this helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.